What's the meaning of cupidity? Cupidity. Cupidity.
Cupidity. Cupidity. Cupidity refers to an excessive desire for wealth or material possessions. It is a negative trait that can lead to selfish behavior and disregard for others. Those who suffer from cupidity are often willing to engage in unethical or illegal activities to gain more money or possessions. This can cause harm to individuals and society as a whole. Additionally, those who focus solely on accumulating wealth may miss out on other important aspects of life such as meaningful relationships and personal growth.